Here we're looking at the Dow, and we see this on the 60-minute that it had a very nice initial run, and we saw the correction for the day here. It's been making a very nice move toward this 17,000, level, and that's what we hit today on the high around 1765, and then saw the prices really come down a little bit. When we start to look at this on the shorter term, say on the 30-minute, we could see we're still seeing a little bit of weakening of the trend here. When you look at it from the standpoint here, as it moves higher, you're looking for, are you seeing any divergence there? You could see this trend line really holding the highs. That's why you see that resistance here comes in. But overall, you're really in a pretty strong channel, I think. And you'd really need to see the break of that to really, I think, start to change the longer term trend. You are seeing, I think, divergence, a small amount in the Dow, not a huge amount. I think there still can be a little more driving higher in the Dow. What's important to watch here is you see the 50-day moving average right here. That was the intraday low was around this 16,900, which we talked about being an important range. You could see it holding that on the intraday low. So unless we really break that or violate this 16,800 level, I would think we still have opportunities to the long side here, or at least they're going to make more gasps higher here toward this 17,200 level. Whether they're going to be successful, I don't think they will be, but I think that, yes, I mean, let me stand corrected. That doesn't mean that I don't think we'll hit the targets here. I mean that we can hit these targets, but still not be able to create a very strong trending longer term move. That's probably a better way of putting it. Here we're clearly see that we're starting to see prices kind of widening out, kind of broadening type of scenario or top. I think you're seeing very big momentum to the downside on this last correction. I don't think that's just going to go away. We have been seeing long-term divergence in the action here. We're seeing that come right in as prices try to come back, but you're not going to see the same momentum. So I do think we're going to start to see the market come down again, and it's going to be a dramatic move this time because we're seeing the beginning, I think, little crack in the armor, and this next one will be, I think, very dramatic. But nevertheless, it still has some action to the upside here, and it still has some ability to kind of continue this move. So we're going to give it the respect it's due here. I would just be watching this 17,200 range, 17,000, and this 17,900 because that was the prior low. That was an important low yesterday. I mean today, and we had that as an important range prior. So any real break of that, we could start to signal some deeper action to the downside.